Welcome to the new and improved Poblacion Child Development Center, where every child's learning journey begins with care, creativity, and curiosity. At our study area, we've designed a space where young minds can grow and explore new concepts. With age-appropriate learning resources, each child is encouraged to discover, learn, and expand their imagination through interactive lessons and activities that foster a love for learning. Next, our reading area is haven for young readers, surrounded by rich collections of stories and colorful books. Children are encouraged to dive into worlds of adventure, creativity, and knowledge. Here, we nurture the love of reading, building strong literacy skills that will last a lifetime. Rest is just as important as learning. In our nap area, we created a serene and comfortable environment where children can recharge. With soft beddings and tranquil atmosphere, your child will enjoy peaceful naps to rejuvenate their energy for exciting activities ahead. And of course, play is essential. In our play area, children can explore, build, and create while developing their social skills and creativity. Whether they are building towers with blocks or working together on group activities, our play area helps them learn through fun and interaction. At the Poblacion Child Development Center, we believe in a holistic approach to early childhood development. Our new and improved facilities offer a safe, nurturing, and enriching environment where your child can grow, learn, and thrive. None of this would be possible without dedication and hard work of our child development workers. Mrs. Guillermo Villacorda, Mrs. Melissa Solis, Mrs. Rosel Melendez, and Mrs. Maria Teresa Wilson. Your passion and commitment have made this transformation truly meaningful. And of course, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our very supportive barangay captain, Francisco Kiko Mejia Jr., whose leadership and unwavering support made this dream a reality. Together, we're building a brighter future. Poblacion Child Development Center, where every child begins their brighter journey.